Kiss the cat. Kiss. Kiss the cat. Good girl.
Nothing makes a kitten feel cozier than their little human's arms. That cat's patience with the baby is on another level.
Look at my cat. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this cat. Look at it. Look at my cat.
Now do it. Oh, I got 2 of those. Ooh, yeah.
Little girl found her soulmate at such a young age, kinda like winning the lottery.
Oh, she yawned.
Okay.
Nope.
The moment the kitten realizes there's always a bigger boss. Cat is proving that at the same age, no one can beat it at games. Okay, playing is fun, but have you ever tried cuddling your furry soulmate? Kiddo has found the button to get the auto head pads from the cat. Weekend movie night with your homie is always one of the chillest times. Bet you cat hats are gonna be the next big trend this year. Stylish and cozy.
No sabemos qué ha pasado, pero lo voy a grabar. Lo voy a grabar.
Seems like all this easygoing cat wants is to admire the little girl's smile.
Bye from the 지붕 지단달 지붕 지단로 지붕
Even in its dreams, the child knows what should never be let go.
아니야. 도망가와.
Congrats, baby! You've discovered the simplest dose of dopamine in the world. Boys and cats make the perfect duo, as they never run out of game ideas. Who would dare wake the child from such a peaceful sleep now? Moments like this always make parents feel the proudest first. They raised a kind-hearted child. Kitty doesn't seem satisfied with her friend's new hair, I guess. Can you spot today's party guest? Beautifully dressed indeed. As they always say, we learn the little things from those we love. Looks like the passenger trusts his driver with his whole heart, or have to. A loving owner like this little guy is literally every cat's dream. The fight for cuddles in the house looks pretty intense, huh? A hug from behind is enough to push us forward all day.
What's soulmate?
Well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else.
Even sunlight doesn't have a chance to interrupt its sleep with this gentleman around.
En este momento. O no sé si las pasé una vez o esperamos a que ya nos tomen.
Isn't it fun to have a friend to experiment with everything in life? Look how gleeful they are. With the joy they share, this friendship will last long, if not forever.
Грей! Это не твое. Ты посмотри на него.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.